My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing what you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things. Eh? What problem?
No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. I can tell people say you're a gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have they call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal along the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
Upper
think
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me. Eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend, you know. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say, no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one. Do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, farm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, you know.
Mixed up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
What going?
But there.
You know so where Papa may I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa may I come from right now.
What going?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm going to tell you, I go back with
I can't take him mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him sit down.
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me never follow you? Eh? You think me never follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on and come talk about me and watch him. But me I tell people about my girl. It's when man a girl, you're a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, stop following me. We are talking about I'm so me do. Eh? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit with me. Yo, me look you long enough by you. Me want to lose my money. You see me lose my man. Me want to lose my man. You think I'm afraid of you? Just wait. Me want to lose my money.
Mr. Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, see how you. Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me telling already people business jump on my foot. And once you jump on my foot, it go kick. So talk. You see how you...
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you used to call up your name with?
You tell him about me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like a him. And I can talk about me say him a gyalis. When me know say him a gyal clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a gyalis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen, what me did say yesterday, me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere, you have to put the man there aside, because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl, because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is, girl fool. And you don't tell the man, oh, me I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
On
night
my birthday.
One of them night
On my birthday, man. You know me, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, little man. Calm down, man. Wanna ease in yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here we are. No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah, you
Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you
Come
want
here, us. Come here, us, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren going to link up over there, so we are talking about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, and we can do some of them something, you know? Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me to the fence if you lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
You want me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I contact, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me, soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again, alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy, just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can...
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
I'm rolling.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi.
So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit, and that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Pick up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl, we are run them, I run them down. It's what me there do. Me I try if you know how to chocolate.
No. You say I try for chocolate.
I try chocolate. I'll buy when you want to come understand. No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me.
So you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, them tell every day, say, you know, them. Make you have to suck about. Yo, you know, someone reason about that situation. Yeah, man, it's a situation that go on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, you know, if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean? Like she has sent you a certain signal. How you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend,
Yeah.
that he mean.
What you mean?
You don't do it?
What you mean? What you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy. Me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, fin decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
They don't do it. Cause watch it out. My woman. I not true me love her alone, you know. I loyalty do it, man. Cause what goes around come back on like in a little circle. Yes, me not do that, brother. Me just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. Me not do that, brother, cause I guess I know. Me have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Cause it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like back in the days when me are like maybe 15 and I don't know where I go on, I might want to take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say? So what you say? So what you want to say? So what you say? You tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make, man. Right now, me I tell you, say right now some of the girl them, see some of the we woman best friend them better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape good.
Yeah,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see if a fatty you want, and one little slim as pass through, yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing though. Yeah. And true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so better. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves. You know what I mean? That's why them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of,
so hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask with all of them questions? You up to something, you know? You see your face, you up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place for talk and reason on certain things, cause yo, me not like how for me. Me not like how for me woman best friend kinda, you know, she too
so something for true, you know. You say one more.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look there, look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman. Tell your woman with your wife. Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You can keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say,
yo.
I'm a woman.
Watch it.
A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy where sit yo. See a wife you call. Yo, big up on yourself, man. You understand me? I say, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy. Take it easy.
Chop him,
Yo, you see, I come ask you a question.
I chop him, I chop it. I want dirty boy.
No,
I hear what we have to say. Chop him, I chop it. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, watch and see what I do. The most chap that's where they don't know. Cause brother, me see it in my face.
You see it in my face. You see badness in my face. I think easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, you ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see me. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now. And public summer take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How can be? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
So babes. Oh God, sorry if it takes so long, man. Sorry if it takes so long. Oh my God.
Why you take so long? How long me wait for you 2 hours now?
I'm gonna try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you, say, yo, the on the road, tired, but you drink still like fridge?
Yeah.
Get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet?
You so me done on man.
Okay, so leave. Alright. Yeah, come.
So public, if me had it in our relationship, would I do all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff? You get what me I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know, but you get what
what
I
I
say?
say, but me no know, me no think if it even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So I ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley when done say there say, Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but me think about it. I decide me can.
Yeah, come go and I'm going to find you.
Me sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Go yourself, be. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. She good. Know yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that. But you ready to go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man?
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gonna walk and you gonna walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
No, we can't go. No, we're not gonna tell us if we love him, no. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. We're not gonna tell us if we love him. Action.
Yeah. You still there? Why go and pansy everything?
What pansy? Come on, Razzie.
No.
Pansy.
Pansy, we have called it, you know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come and help them. Want you hurt her feelings? You can't say yes. Lady!
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna take so long for coming. You have to come in.
What? Tell her. Phone a burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Tagalang bad man, me not lie.
And you know if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will we there when the song build up. Fire creative, fire phone that one. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with a girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that wanna get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me at the music?
I must say a long time you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know I say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me at the music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody else me tell you. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
See him too.
Come on. Eat out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk about she. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong
Cause
thing.
she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So do not go to party tonight.
No, sir. We're staying home.
Right now, me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you get money with that sponsor, I will have enough. But now money, I know. Well, you can check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody got a road and we just there, so.
Not true. With a musty house, Lily.
I chose school of way, man.
I don't lie. Free time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know, I feel like I'm going to give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said, come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute not talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now is college. Man can't stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
they
you
for
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
How
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment here, man still help me pay that. When you're lonely, one you like sort out your pleasure. What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you going to do? You are going to need backup TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he say like this. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what going.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me I come there. Ah, God. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can get one. You know what I mean? We can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what go on?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go on. Let me go for each other fast. Because I have to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't
yeah.
move on it.
Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what going on. Phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ringing on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, Mom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I said I'm going to borrow your charger because he lend me this and I know send no film charger. Because I never see my iPhone charger. I'm asking for you. You want to see the face he give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. But next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down yes. Yeah.
Make
You're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man, alright just.
Oh. So, how you say you do love her, sir?
You know say I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on. What make when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl no give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean? I mean, I say to myself,
if you laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
She up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl.
She up in your yard? Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for?
My brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl me feel, seen say, you know, she do it and not tell him and tell the story about it. I feel for y'all, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still their yard still, but connection, you know, 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you are going to do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, how with me I going to do? So people still get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? You take out there, Zin, yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. Me know say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm going to know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know something wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know something wrong and everything, but me not have you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here we go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somewhere. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If I go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, Enjoy your day. You start now.
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess now you see the girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know say me all a go around there too. Cause any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Singer Kira and we also want to get over every channel, yes. But the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below. So go over there and go check out the entire video. Subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye!
Prepare food then?
No, I'm gonna do dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one now.
What?
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you know get No dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the floor so a little bit?
Never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Let's go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Dirty papai.
Public. That sound like public disturbance. What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always have cook them there, man. So where your wife there? You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want to give me a little food around there, oh, you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going there, so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I don't wake up your wife. I don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No,
smell that.
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell.
Sit
down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I go. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I'm back, me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. I come and get you. Yes.
You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind not talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk, but me and them will agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Popeye,
Look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait for you.
Mackerel again. I pay mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes.
Go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up near me food, you know. Me nah if you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay out there. Oh, sorry. You know what I do for?
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello.
Hello.
If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, man. Popeye, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Popeye.
Popeye, you know. Yes. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching I will support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're going to laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to do a 2 P's one. So to continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here tonight, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
The dirty Popeye out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
The dirty Popeye. Oh, man, I run him away.
Trust!
Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on about there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo, slow.
So what do you think you're going to leave us a bit?
Me don't tell you already say me and my friend them go hang out, you know, have little fun, so when I'm ready me call you.
You call me?
Yeah.
Alright, you are going. I work on ourselves tonight, you understand? So you have to call me early than normal, you understand? So me can get ready, come pick you up in time.
Alright, babes, I'm going to call you. So babes, they can't give me some money because I don't have no money, you know, I go and buy some stuff.
Babes, you understand me like month gone, babes, you know what I say? Low, you know. You understand? If anything I can send something to your card, I try, but you know what I'm going already.
I say no long way away for Natasha and Browning for come, girl.
Come on, I'm not so long we're out here waiting. Let me soon come.
No, girl.
Sister girl. Sister girl.
You know you have me again for you.
Come here, my friend.
Yes, girl. Ozzy, just let you have.
Yes, girl.
Good girl, look, man.
So girl, when Natasha there, I know Natasha not reach here.
I don't feel so like how she called me out and should have reached out to her.
Chairman, you know I'm going like say I'm time where I get right here. Just won't come, man. Gotcha. Now be express if you know they are about me. Girl, you take so long to come. Like you did I do something, you know, like you did I mash a little work.
Nice. No, so me not take no little bit. I will dear mood at the party. They would reach out.
Like you did I mash a little.
Dark show, dark.
I feel how we do because we fire all along.
So we not go on with it, no good. Kiki, come to your hotel work. Everything good down there.
Why? I'm going down there now. I swear right now, I just feel like I want to live.
Girl, you always say that. You always complain and you know you're not live. It's be nice, man.
That's what Kiki go and always complain and he not live. You want to live and you not even look one next work.
Oh man, I really make up my mind I know. The people them call me an office girl. Don't tell me about tip. Two when I'm customer them come push and look at tip in my pocket in a girl. I didn't even remember say the tip in a pocket to them. Them I can't stress my brain. Me I left for true.
Good girl, you go like you don't know how the working environment go again. All just to go and hold the work till you get one better. You see me, you just go and do your thing, mama.
Girl, you can't go on, you know. Because you're there with policeman, you know. You know how to work. So you know not to worry about policeman I wash for your plate.
Anyways, enough of that. Natasha, I go on for your store. I say I post up on Instagram and all these things. And I want to tell you say it a go on good. I not tell no lie. And since the other day my man get one deal for me, you know, I say I love you. That's why you see me post them there's something on Instagram. But for me I think for do right now, I want to start make my own stuff them in the store. So that me I work on right now. But I don't want to talk about it. Because you know say more while I talk about things in a workout. So I just go and work on it. I love how you go
Girl,
so far, though.
I'm happy for you. Like how things always go your way, you know. It's a go get a girl, I'm not lie, but no. Nowadays I have to watch out for them, man, you know, good girl. Come on, lie, them are artist boy, and the hotel and Mr. boy are coming and be a bag again back of them.
Girl, listen to Kiki. Me and you know saying every man stays.
True, cause if me did follow people, but what they say about policeman, me and my husband who do the right now, he might not have the money, you know, in our way to finance me, but everything I go and good and take care of me, you know.
You can go and talk it up. But you go and like say the policeman when they catch Boroma raise him name married. Natasha, I'm not tell her to pray a man, but I see these things happen with their work, with the artists, them in and out with woman. I meant to tell us if you just watch yourself. Here girl.
I real talk, you know. I real talk, girl. But don't worry your head, man. Because you know, I like myself careless. Hello? Girl, everything alright? You sure? No, sir. No, sir. Oh God, send me picture them on WhatsApp right now, cause just send me them. Me have one plan, alright? Alright.
Girl, you see all them are going for policeman soon if you know what that means.
Girl,
Me don't want no policeman.
me have to go away now. Me get a call and me have to go away. So
You're going, I love you.
Take care, girl.
You're going so quick, girl. I feel that way, but
I'm really sorry to me have to go away, you know, but something really important me get called out. So when we reach home, me text you, alright?
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright.
I bet I see a man here on gone too. I hope my man treat her good enough, you know, but I hope the boy treated good enough. I get a good girl.
Hey
Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
Girl, I'm not going like say. Stop, broke out the man. I say girl go on.
Natasha, can people them go?
Alright, and action.
Nice, then one say me I go pan here all day, me I
And that tell you that
day.
me too. They come like Kiki, she a complain about the work, you a complain about the man. It's over to you.
Action.
You a complain about work, you a complain about man, and no now, no left.
Man say action I
Trying to catch me. Pour something. No, Sam, your throat feels swell. Anyway.
Miss Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Miss Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time, me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, you know, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are going to go on for we. You know what to do, Mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money then now go work out. I not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, Mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me I do road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, Mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, Just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that. 4 months now. Me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call me, I did it then. Call the man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know I'm pregnant though. Okay, white father. What do you mean white father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess the births are something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone, I been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Still sexy? Always. Alright. Public! Public!
but wait. My God. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made you new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch your man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother talk about then water, then baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I tonight.
I know easy at all. But I'm serious now still. 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell us I feel pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, I'm sitting here. So right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if I could have get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want... Baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal, and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? They want,
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get the true juice. I get the juice here. juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice? Everything true. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, B, it sound good, it sound good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just want the baby, not at all. You don't want the baby hungry. Yeah? Chunk.
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And I don't belly be sure my belly flat like mommy.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it ain't, if it of a woman.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and I'm buying. Alright.
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing. Or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Man, you see, can't complain with my life right now. Marriage life is the greatest thing, brother. Greatest thing. Yo, I have my wife and me have me. She pregnant now, you know?
What?
She pregnant now. And she's about to have, you know, because it's her 3rd child. So, you know, we're just happy, you know what I mean? And there's nothing right now can make me sad. Because I'm not going to go out of my way and do nothing. Or cause or compromise the relationship in any way. That's how me do it. You know what I mean? That's how me stay. That's my too hard though, but that's how me live my life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, you know? So what going with you though? Of your life?
Action.
Boy, I'm glad she is still, but I tell you the truth in my general. Me no believe in the marriage thing, you know. Them they sitting there rope in an aisle. I wonder if you understand what I mean. Quick. I don't believe in that. So me happy for you still, but my life right now come like a rough sea. If you can't swim down, go there. So I saw my life set up right now. But I'm glad for you still married and I get a youth. Wish me not promise to say me they go married, you know. Me and your friend, but God know me not married.
And
But wait, stop. Go again. What come here, drink.
action.
Well, brother, what kind of careless life you are going with? Me know you know them something, brother. You have to be married, second long, and have a, you know what I mean, a respectable life for the most high. You don't know the things that you know. You know what I mean? 1 second. Hello? Yeah? Hold on, I call him. I go call about. Just give me 5 seconds. I call him. Yo, as a matter of fact, see the thing I say you want, brother. Nah, waste of time. So we talk, yeah? Some manners and respect and big up yourself. So link me up if I nothing look moment and we reason. Yes, sir.
See?
You don't know a thing said, you know?
It's a nice I show you. My
Oh God. Action.
So hold it. You know what I mean? Cause this you know what I mean? But that deal my deal now still.
You see what I tell you? Me just I tell you about the married thing. And them I sit here and mash up friendship. You use where 190 then there? A 6 grand they beg you. And you look for me and give me 6 bills to do what? This can't even buy tissue on my yard. You must have a nice life, you know. You're married life. And one more thing. You see, the rope and aisle business not reaching a hit.
Alright, boy, I tell you.
And action.
I'm alright, yes. I don't know what time of strike, 1 o'clock. I think I money go up on tree. I call my girl and find out what she do. Because I don't understand what kind of phone call this. Nah, man, she don't call me in time. I'm so going. Rapunzel. What's the... What you say? What do you mean you're pregnant? Okay, so, well, congratulations, because at the end of the day, you must know we what? Me? No, don't do that. Don't do that. I don't understand that one then. If you do what? Which part you then right now? Which part you there right now? Tell me this. I see them bulldozers there around that corner there. Down in that lane there. Alright, tie the dog them. Tie the dog them. Make sure the dog them tie. Because I can't bother if get no more dog bite again. Tie the dog them. Alright? Me a foul right now. Yes. Run back. Alright, me a come up. Tie the dog them. Alright.
And action.
Tie the dog them. Right? Me a come. No, me a drive out right now. So tie the dog them. She tied dog them.
Action. And action.
Hold on there. Even know me didn't hear good. Can't be say Rapunzel or say Pum Pum, this boy I come to. Watch him. And that boy have a perfect married life. Think me a fool, let him not hear the voice on the phone, they have a fuss here.
Man.
Oh, look at that, man. Perfect marriage, yeah man. Yeah man.
Action.
No, Mr. Salt, you know.
And
Foggy?
action.
Public. Wagwan. I want to talk to you about something really important. Wait, no. Alright, make sure you call me back, you know. May I wait for you. Alright.
And action. Action.
Wagwan. I'm pregnant. Yes, I'm pregnant. What do you mean I'm not fear, baby? And I only want me do it raw with, you know? Yes, the dog them tie up. Alright, hurry up and come.
Action.
How that?
Rapunzel.
Come in.
You not look pregnant.
You see belly?
Action.
Rapunzel.
How that?
I'm in public.
Alright, come in.
Okay. Why you not look pregnant?
So how this?
You don't just them a while ago.
No.
I see your belly as big, man.
No, my belly.
Sorry. Sorry, I'm sorry, fam. I'm sorry, you know. Let's do it again. Oh shit.
Action. Ready.
Rapunzel. Rapunzel.
How that?
I'll make you wait 1 second. Time.
Alright, come in.
If I know what's going on for me now, you hear them information, yeah. What? Rapunzel. What's going on?
Tell her already I'm pregnant.
But you don't look pregnant.
So how this?
No food, they just eat a while ago.
No, I don't name no food. That's how my belly big.
Exactly.
Baby a
I say,
grow.
since make up your mind what you talk about.
The baby a grow.
Baby
So
a
that's
grow.
why my belly big so.
So how much months this now?
3.
3 months. So what make you say that for me?
Cause I ain't only one me do it without nothing. We just go natural.
Rapunzel, remember what you do for a living.
That not say, but you know, so me not take chance with anybody. Me always make them put on their rubber. But me not make you put on the rubber. That's why me know say I feel.
You sure?
Yes.
You know, so this is going to jeopardize everything now.
What you mean?
What you mean? Because guess what now? You're tied to me now in a one way where you're not supposed to be. Good? Oh. No, come see how I move. Sorry.
You didn't cut a while ago?
No recasting. Come again. So pick it up from you're tied to me. Ready? You're tied to me now in a one way where me not understand how to get out of it. You sure you want to keep it?
Yeah, I wanna carry it to be together.
We can't raise it together.
Why?
I already have what I have in my yard.
So, I know me tell her if breed me.
Rapunzel, you know, can't believe you put me in that situation. Alright, you are going. We have to go find a plan because, but you can't, I can't me and you.
So, me and who then?
But we have to find a plan. So, just think about it, man.
Me not think about it, make up my mind already.
If you want me to write you a check.
No, I want you in my life. I want me raise the baby together.
Rapunzel, nobody with something there.
Yeah, I want me raise the baby together so can be a family.
Rapunzel, come on Rapunzel, put a sock in it, man. Rough.
He said, put your sock in it, what the fuck?
We're going to take it from General. You just a stream with the boat. See? Hey, V, why pray? So, alright. So. What's going to take it from now?
Just suck in it.
It's like I got on BTS camera. Straight BTS. By the shizneck. Rough. So we're taking from General. Stop video the man! Hey!
You're annoying. See, you might be there so long. You're annoying, man. And I say, me keep on make mistake in it. Annoying.
No, I think I just go Carry store where you carry it now, so it'll finish.
So where you take it from?
I don't know.
Yo, Mr.
Come here, put your sock in it. Put your sock in it. Put your sock in it.
Yeah, grab me. Can you have to cut enough stuff? Alright, come in. Ready?
Ready?
Grab me. No. That can't work out. You know that already. Alright, here we go do. Just take a few days, think about it, because me sure what me have to do. Think about what you're gonna do. If you want to find somebody and give the pitney, better you do that. Me will still send some money and take care of you.
Me no want think about it.
You know.
Me already tell you say you me want. Me want me you be a family. That me want.
No. Can't work.
No, please.
Just find somebody and we will take care of you. Here? So
Where
alright.
you go?
Me have to go. Me have to go. Make it baby.
No, where you go?
We work it out, man. Me call.
Come back.
Lose the dog them now. Look at.
You better know say man take care of this up there. I'm not do it by myself. Alright. Come go in here.
Candy, boy, I tell you, so today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee to revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say you save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. That time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quick, because some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I not say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know say a time for we step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm gonna get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
You not them a time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I would invest so much in you. Look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and the accoutrements and the birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, ma'am. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes, because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what I go on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me? Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to care. You know what I mean? Instead of here try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that job we sell a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah man! Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes them. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something I don't want to run, you know. And nobody please say something to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about...
Babe, now me see why problem. You feel say if you have one child together, you're not going to explore no more. You're not going to enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing no go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know. Lock out that there, lock out that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck? You are going. Me I will cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what I'm going. Cool out over there saying. You want to come more here.
What you idiot? Go on out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say not come in with no flu and contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget pick me when you're not sick and them big then can help you. Know. Look for you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know say, go down this over there, go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up in it, you know mommy?
Yeah man, everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still you know. You can't go in it too long. Cause it's like me hungry I throw one pad and say money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me boss. So if you can't manage it,
so you know mommy, but you know say you can't give up the shop still, that's all them things they run, you see me?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up. Really. Glad me I wanna support me still, give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes man, sometimes you give me something though.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Thing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service always up round here, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Hey, give me one Pepsi, I say to my stomach, you answer, cause...
No, so cold in what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Never think of deal with. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I'll go and check long time in the see in that place, you know, where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just have to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause... I'm there raising with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price that raised from last month.
Yeah man, price then raise up man. But then should have dare still you know. But I try wanna support me all along. You know,
everything can raise brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them want to come. You see me, you get no youth yet?
No sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? I don't run that down. That will come man. Time did it for that, you know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
I understand. Well, some of us say we are waiting upon time in the brother and when the time run out now, we all stay stand and look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me, you know, I gonna need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I deal with things cause yo, time now wait for no man still you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah Richie?
Yo. Me there man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. I will miss you.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill man, don't worry. Alright, bless yourself man. Cool. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out you know. See? So bless yourself. Yes, sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
We
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec, up the road there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend free. But you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. Oh, that's all.
Yeah man, no problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sounds like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. Now let's talk in and know yourself. Just have to take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So up road they say that?
Yeah, up road there.
So later we talk, here?
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone it in mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go and he should have wait up in a rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where do baby in them time? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, it's not make no sense sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until my financially stable me breed. Oh, me breed now. I'm a broke. Me can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I come get up and go on my yard. Sir, me did come over there.
What one can be?
I'm there, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Man, I just left me a little, you know. So you link, yeah?
Alright. How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and them something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk, say. Me no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run out time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, man. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright?
Hello?
No, I'm not calling too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but to just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pay you.
Alright. Now found right now here. Right now. Alright, man. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, a man and now come in yard. How about this, man? this a man I don't want a baby now. I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there know my father.
None of there.
None of there my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
Alright, that's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming. Hi.
Miss you.
You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the pair phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even far for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time and come over there where they just busy at talk, because a long time I don't see where catch up and thing.
Virgin Mary had a baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm looking for a friend and me did it last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said he must come over. I just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. It's nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you go on. So girl, I feel your man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel a personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear a man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know I have to squat my like a ass and go one side. I hear a man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. I went yesterday and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I ever done in a hair business.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, no clock, sorry. One thing I'm gonna in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel? Me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got upon it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you don't want to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not gonna miss the threesome if you don't watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man they wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man they not say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand you're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
Thing. So stop acting like that.
You're supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you. I'm supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recorder right now, make you hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because me done gone left, right and center, but me still there, yes, so. Yes, me not give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way me go run. Just a run come back. And I really me a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, if it's you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think to upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So me tell you, say, you should go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, if you have a girl, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? I have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all about the place, you know. I have girl round so. And I have one girl up on the lane there. Because of style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? I have girl is brother. Actually, you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy you do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kind of too much, you know. Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's home. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I just talk, I talk. You ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want look at attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Oh, tell say my bridge not talk to him. Why make it always stick me up with something?
So
Like,
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
me no want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up, man. Just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, I want where you hold out on board. You don't know what you do.
Oh, you're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the penny phone I text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text nobody. Me just a chill because we up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You clothes them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me not want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first I wait. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fat no fall for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over the circus done. Get up.
Yo, oh, this a man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I'm a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried for tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I got date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. Hey, it's a she bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something. Tell them something. Tell them
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know. Make sure you share too. Alright.
AV, why pray? AV, where you there? Where you there? Me not say, hey.
Yeah, shoot and editor here, people. Spend most of the time behind the camera these days. I'm gonna try to get me some like and all. Anyways, remember if you like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you. Yes, so. And action.
Okay. Baby, you're pretty like money. I want to talk about. Bro.
Come again. And action.
What you really just say? Time off? Time off? When me a peel the banana, you ever access it me?
Yeah, man, go right.
Hold it with the banana. Peel the banana.
Alright, let me put role play first.
And action.
Time. Oh.
That bad thing.
Yeah. And action.
Oh, you really just say? Time off. Time off. When we are.
Dugu and I peel your banana. No, yes,
Yes, because she's so into it. She's so into it. Yeah. It's fine. You're doing good. You're doing good.
First time I got so much time,
No, man,
you know,
good,
it's the first time it happened to me.
It happened to me worse. That's no worse than.
Alright, I'm ready. Don't spend too long.
Action.
So wait there. For your friend, they're more important than me. Me they in there so, I want look attention and you out here so with friend. You know what? Let me spit and you're not reaching yet. Cause me not play with you.
No.
Rough. No, but I use it. Let me spit sod. Sod out. Let me make it sod. Let me spit sod out.
Yeah.
I ain't reach it. But no.
What go on, General? You know, sir, you may come link up. Yeah, because I guess now. Me go for pay my flow bill and it share $3,000 and me don't know how that happen. Me not have $3,000. Me don't know if I can lend me $3,000.
As you talk about internet, you know, say I can't check you. The computer crash and I say, oh, I come borrow your computer. But, 3,002. You know, I say, that's a simple thing, you know. $3,000 nothing for give bridging.
Respect, brother. Thanks. Here, because I'm going to start with the bill right now. You what? Forward, man. Forward and I'm going to start with your thing and give you.
Yeah, man, so. What? Mama, you look nice, they do.
You know, easy, you know. I see look for your man, them. You know, easy at all.
What do you mean? Where you move so?
Yo, come on, man. Look, my woman, them different, man. Come in.
I can't believe you, man. You gotta see your work.
No, me, I got everything good, man. Them nice still, them nice, but you know what I mean? But me, I say, for me, things set different.
Girl, I see your ass big, it can't fit you.
It can't work, you know.
I don't like them bad mind talking there, you know. Never buy one for you. But differently though. You know, some more real man in my life though. You know, them good up man them. But I'm kind of scared to talk to the man them, you know. But I don't really judge every man as the same thing, you know. Because I know you have some good, decent man out there, so you know, good citizen.
Girl, stop right there, so. And stop foolishness. Some good man out there again. Yeah, we just one play innocent. That's why you can chop them money and get anything you want to get out of them. All when you not stay so. You understand? Because them out this life I will live in now. You can't find no good man out there. Just chop them and play innocent, girl. I always see what me talk about, everything will fall in place.
Me and friend, you know, but me I tell you the truth, me not agree with you.
Even if you be a good girl, then my money, they still going to treat you messed up. May I tell you? So you have to just use your brain. You understand? Make them feel say you're perfect or when you're not perfect. Yeah, not there. May I tell you?
That sound too cool. That sound like you know no art. It look like say we not got no love for nobody at all. But you explain tell me say like say no love no out there. Me can't do it. Me can't do it, girl. Me not tell you no lie. Me have to take risk. Me have to go take risk. Anything will happen.
You can't stand there talk about you take risk. I take no risk. You see me when they take risk, you see everything where you see in your see that bed over there so. See that dresser there. If me they take risk, one of them. So you can't go and play the perfect woman or the perfect girl. That's your business.
Yeah man. You can go on, you know. You can go on. But me not follow you. You see when you take man things, a man find out say you don't love them. The way you them want you feel love them and then they say give you them things so then we kill you. Man we kill you with dead.
Back to the
Still
sender.
you take man things and back to sender. Still you take man things and then they trick man and then make them feel say you love them 100% when you don't love them. So you want them things, you take them things, you we dead. Everything with me.
My girl, you can't go and talk. You don't know what go on. You don't know how much I can strike. You see later I'm going to road. I will get one of them good looking man there and show you something. I'm going to show you something. Alright. Boy kill. The milk boy can't kill me. They don't know if he kill me. I feel tougher than tough. I don't even know what is tougher than tough. I'll show you.
Me will be like Michael Jackson. Me will start like the man in the mirror. In my case, me will start like the woman in the mirror. Me a woman in the mirror. Now worry yourself. Anyways, me I can go now.
Alright.
By the way, you have noticed you?
Yeah, me have this here. Hour.
Girl, me say I put on a piece of cooking up on me yard there. Me cook some curry and give me pitney them. One near me and one not near me. I look at the next one never near me. The other one have running belly and me run out of tissue. Me nah no money, you laugh. Me nah no tissue. You can't give me one.
Yeah man, we give you
Alright,
one.
go up and give me car right now.
You see, I come down to now, though. You see, I come down and I tell about it. Right back to what I tell about it. You want to continue link me for this, you? What is? Hurry up, get this thing, go keep it before they shit up the place up there. So, man, we come work. Alright. Oh. Alright.
Thanks for the tissue.
Watch out, man. I have to hang out the clothes them from morning star. Please set up to you know. We're in set up.
Seriously? Yeah. You don't know woman to put up clothes for life? Okay. Me see why you ask me down there, so if I saw me look woman. Because you don't look none. You feel they look.
No, sir. I can't just look any woman just like that. I want the perfect woman. Me need the perfect woman who understand me to the teeth, know me, for me, and not just like running. You know what I mean? Because sometimes, yo, I don't waste time, brother. You know, you want the perfect woman.
Listen me, that's how it work. Listen, y'all look for something perfect. You think that's so perfect come? You have to just find a woman. If it's not suit you, you just love it. No wait, where you wait pan? Just grab any woman you catch. I say you go and find perfect. If you go and sit down with pan perfect, it now go come.
Brother, you think that any woman I want a woman who can come up from my yard and take care of it, clean up the place and, you know what I mean? Tell me something, you think, say, them nowadays girl, yeah, wouldn't actually wash your clothes, much less figure out the door, go pin up it online? Eh? You think that's how this thing go? Go catch woman, and that's how this thing go. You might catch the big AIDS, you know what I mean? Because none of them at time, you don't know who you can trust. And then now tell us them have, you know. Them now tell us them have that thing there. They just go enjoy themselves with you. Like when you want to enjoy yourself, let's enjoy it. I saw them do it, you know. But guess what go on? You see how me look, woman, my thing set different. So guess what go on? You are going to see how me set my thing. Forward, we can get the laptop here, because you need for your thing, you work your thing, and me work my thing.
How this man I take me for? I waiting they make condom for. You think I me tell someone not to use condom? Come on now, man.
Hey, and I hold it, you know, and I hold the video. Guess what now? We just steal a little piece and go in because guess what now? Me have to keep you know what I mean, entertained, you know what I mean? So guess what now? Just understand me just steal piece just for you. So do a thing for me. Like, share and subscribe. And guess what? The full video will come very soon. Forward very soon, you know what I mean? So guess what go on? If you're AV, like, share, subscribe, please. If you're public report, like, share and subscribe. Remember, me do this for uno, for make us see what go on. Just to keep the thing flowing. Because we post every day, and we have to keep it up to date, right? So do the right thing. Bless up yourself right now. Pumper night. I'm not even spread out the clothes and look how it rain set up for fall.
My girl, stop right there so before I stop that foolishness. Start over, please. My girl, stop right there so before you start that foolishness. No good man out there again. What kind of good relationship you look? Yeah, you have to just, me tell you what to do, man. Just play innocent, just play a good girl, and everything will fall in place. Yeah, just play the innocent girl, and you will see what they go on. I don't think that's what I should say.
Anyways, no, you have to me fit.
You might go, don't catch a big head. Because guess what now, you see, me is a mother's. No, sorry, go on. Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing? And it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I wonder if you understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me I won't leave a girl upon that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man are fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes you know I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. You see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Cause listen, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. How? Me not get no home tonight. Me I come now. Man. Me I come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did it on the phone, no, General?
What me know me I talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her with one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But General, I'm not really saying nothing too bad. But just concerned, because me somebody talk about wash plate and you know wash clothes. You know me come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I don't expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? What you talk about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some go on country there, man.
What you said, you know ready?
Don't see, you must bless some again. Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
How?
No man, no. Exercise.
Yo, here we go. We have to go do road, you know. So, my grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up here, sir.
Yeah,
if I don't show me, I can reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him run.
So babes, I really feel it right now.
Remember, tell me, say I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he's soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come. Put on your shoes. Right. Already?
Wagwan. Eh? I come to lock up the VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. Don't make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know, so no more that deal, but me pay that come down for me. But still, more on the rent money because my rent
I
due.
don't like your lips, yeah.
really like Calypso. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about the more business. What you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
You know the problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now because today's a hot day to beef bar.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for them. And if I want to drive blue parallel down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I maybe ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man, scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. One something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, so you can never tell me before, you tell me say you want the money, say you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will you take me for?
You know, girl, babes.
Listen,
you know
listen, right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, let I go, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
You, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. I hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
So much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here.
Oh, Lord. Yo, Popeye.
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can see your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember when I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really know want to help me? Tell me for you why.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't even know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot go for your money around. So I lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look a hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send it with that.
Yo, respect our manners to the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? We go pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Cause you know what I mean, we work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So talk till you come out. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back if you no more money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, are we at the court date?
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you can get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think and know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I'll figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know she said them curtain want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them and handle too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some my time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You going here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not doing it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call.
Proper place to delete it. First connect.
See, please. Kemar, I wish party day. Look, more you have to meet me run a jerks in that tree that like right now. Alright, just the way I do and just make sure it's your hurry up.
Babes, not 3 times a sit. Look to your right. Look there, man. See you, you know. Hey. You see, as beautiful as this place is, it's not even half as beautiful as you are.
Thank you very much. But look at this. Tell me now, what is that, Kemar?
That's Candy.
So who is she to you?
Candy, I'm a business partner. Hold on, wait, hold a minute. Put a fork in it. Let me tell you something. Candy is the reason why you call me out here. Eh? Waste full personal time, full precious time. Look how much things we can do. Look at the scenery. Look how much things we can do. Look how big. Come on. Let me tell you this. We talk about this already, you know. Candy, I'm a business partner, and let me tell you this, man. I work with a lot of females, you know. You have to understand, so I don't want them, and you me want. And you are my number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't have to go through this again. You don't have to go through here, someone.
So what other business you want Candy have a do? Cause you can't tell me say you work with how much woman and you never look for none of them yet.
This year really gone with it. Hmm? Come on, babe. You know, say if no want them, but we're not lying. Listen to me. As a man, we see, but and everything we see we want to touch. You know what I mean? We see it. It's there. But I choose not to. Some of them feel like say me out there work with them, I'm interested in them and all these things. You remember saying, alright, look at this way. You see, from my perspective now, I see you work with Billy Bob which day. And you know, in our state of conversation. But guess what? I'm not business about what I talk about because we don't have to have an innocent or whatever conversation. Because I trust you, I put my trust on you. Somebody really.
See me know say you're guilty right now. See me know say you're guilty because me call you here for different something and you gone all the way a Billy Bob because you want to ignore what me have to say. That's why I just can't trust them man, you know. Me just can't trust you know.
You can't trust them man. This year gone with it. And about me and you again. About man out the road. That you really bring come here, so. Because, hey, as a matter of fact, let me ask you a question. You have Candy number, how you get that picture then? Come in and say just hit up one day and just call me. If you're hungry and just meet me here, so in all these places. Oh, look at the place nice, you come talk about Candy, my worker. How you get that picture then?
Don't worry about how me get the picture. And try to lower your voice because I don't have to dig up when I know to dig up. You hear what I tell you? I ask questions and I just did want to see how she look at that side and get the picture. And I can't believe that me a big old fat ugly people here talking. Look how much nice girl you work with, although I know see you talk to two nice one then yes. But this one here don't make sense.
Yeah. What do I do for a living? That's the first question you have to ask yourself. Saying, if you see me I do some short films and I act some movie and all these things and I sing, you have to understand the interaction is there, you know. You understand? Hey, you know, take a normal average woman to deal with the situations, but understand that. Because, you know, it's natural for you to feel a little insecure about me and sing to other women to, you know, ease them pain or to make them feel good. You know what I mean? But you have to understand, say, I choose you, that's why I make sure I stay away.
That's why you stop me from feeling that over here. Stop me have to go around and ask questions about people. I dig up and try to get picture about people. Just stop me feeling type of way here and I feel do them something here. You think we really want to do this? I don't want to do this none at all. So please, me I ask you. I don't want to call your phone and can't get your phone. I mean, if you call people or something, I don't want you to come and look for you. I just want you to come home when you finish work, please.
Babe, let them make more effort. You know, sir, you're right. You're really right. Because guess what now? Communication is a must. And when we start out, we should communicate regular. You understand? So what I'm going to do now is now make sure, say, I put in the work for you. Yeah? Who's the prettiest girl in the world? You. You're my girl.
So we are getting ice cream.
Yes, we can. Alright. You know where I do?
Stay home tonight.
Yes, babe.
Come.
Come on. Yes, of course.
Me confront him and like every time me confront him about something, that the same thing he might tell me over and over again. Like he might tell me saying love me and me know say I'm me one and then something there. But me still not trust him. Exactly. I mean know the kind of woman them when in love. See, me not put that past him none at all. So at that we are good. Me just want you to continue. Keep your eye on him, please. Tell him you can't trust him, man. You ain't a girl, can't trust him. No worry about that, man. Me I go call you back and then we can discuss that, alright? Alright, later. Alright, friend. Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
And action.
Where's my back in the bomber? No, that's
And action.
Babe, what am I do for a living? So that first question you have to ask yourself. I act movies, you know what I mean? I sing. Interaction is a must, because people me deal with. And guess what? I sing for ladies. My song is for the ladies. Yeah. So I will fall in love with just even the way you me articulate myself, and you know. Is that the word?
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Let's where's the looking for?
I sugar daddy.
Alright, big up yourself. So close the door now already again. Come on, Natasha, man.
And then see your man again when we go to.
Sure.
Okay.
Come, don't stand up, I'm gonna catch you in a focus it.
Hello, good day, my
Alright.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy, right?
Why wonder Popeye got some misery, man? Yo, Popeye, forward there. Why, man? There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why? You don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to look at chops. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, come to think of it. Me didn't penetrate on the Spanish fly no boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not gonna do it in time to stop. Because you know that's something make me and bad. So I want it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in there, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, rude structure now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow. See you. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they miss you deserve love? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want, you know. The one of them in yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really? Oh. That make you there some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not give her no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly. Cause that don't sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But enough of she. Me get over she the pan I want, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. You do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And now man something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them sing song about lick lick. Now man something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to stray. You and your lick And what you want to talk about on TV, can stay one place, because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, are you wishing that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Tell them where you're sitting
here.
Tell them where you're sitting here.
You go on like you know, and then go over to Akin Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akin Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akin run things. See? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. What you plan for do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? What happened?
Alright, so you know some single, right? And from where there, me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what going on. And it happen with every one of them.
Well on the girl, before I get down the line integrity, let me eat one of the experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl, I can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give a gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
Oh, go on, that's everything good?
Hello.
Pants, yeah, how far me I come from? So Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright, that's all man.
So public, I want to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, but I don't think you're good. You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why not act so?
Let me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and Malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I know really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle the business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go do something. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say their mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you're finished, that is if you're new, when you're finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more hot contents like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, you know some single fan with you, right? And me I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know say from with you, me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me did it, and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure say everything good?
Yeah man girl, everything good man. So what you ask about him and them?
Me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright?
Yeah man girl, everything alright. So what you ask about him and them now?
Me nah no corona you know. But still, me no know the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand.
Kira. Me I go suck on me as well, right? See me a 3 more.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know wagwan.
You and a good friend. You? Sit and go. Man, shoot her, we can't keep them words.